What's up, guys? Alex over here. Welcome back to another video. Happy New Year. I know it's been a while, and I just want to make a quick video and show you some of the things that I got going on. Um, and again, I'm sorry for not posting as regular as I should. I know I have mentioned before that some things happen in my life. I'm doing good. Really don't want to talk about that, but yeah, so I'm over here in the garage. Today is the 16th of January, where over here in the Houston area is super cold. It's freezing outside. I got my dogs in the garage. Well, they're running on the back right now because I let them out to let them do their business, and I'm back at it. So, few things. I have not been able to ride as I want to. Probably the last time that I rode was probably about 2-3 months ago. And yeah, before I can ride again, first I gotta wait for because I don't like riding on the cold, especially not in freezing temperatures. So I gotta wait for that to come down. Then I gotta wait for the trail to dry out and things and that. Been traveling a lot to my hometown in Mexico. Almost every 2 weeks. I spend my Christmas break over there almost the whole time. Same thing with Thanksgiving, because my life changed a little bit. So I'm still living over here in Texas. That's not a problem. My work is over here. My job is over here. So let's see what we got planned for the future. So since I have not been riding a lot, some of my bike needs maintenance, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm gonna probably make some montage videos about that and upload them. I have a few things that I need to take care of before I can actually start riding. And let me show you what's going on. Well, here's my fleet. I have my Polygon Siskiyou T8, my Shimano build, my custom painted Axum, my Poseidon Redwood. I have my Mom Bromo, it's all dusty. I have a few things that I'm gonna be doing to this. I just don't have the parts yet. This is my brother's bike that I showed you a while back. I have not even touched it, and I don't even remember when I got this bike. It's probably been sitting here for the past 4 or 5 months. And then I have the Ragley that I have not even used. It's completely built, but I have not even used. And then over here on the other side, and excuse the mess, I have the custom painted Otter. I showed you a clip the other day about, I think I did, about this bike and my son riding it, because he was riding the aluminum comp, the one that I built. That one is a 27.5. This one, as you can remember, I have it as a 29er, and my son was able to ride this, so I want to make a few changes for this one so that he can fit him better, and we're gonna talk about those changes in a little bit. So a few of the problems that I'm facing right now. My Polygon Siskiyou T8, this is set up tubeless. My Shimano set up tubeless. My Axum is set up tubeless. The Poseidon is set up tubeless. This one has tubes in it. This one has, the Ragley also has tubes in it. And the Otter has tubeless up front and tubes in the rear. And I don't know if you can see over here, the Shimano, the rear one, this one is completely flat. It does not hold air. And on my Siskiyou T8, that one is flat, the rear one as well. But it does hold air for a ride or so, maybe a day, and then it loses it. So that's maintenance that I gotta take care of. As a matter of retaping them, if I really need to, I don't know if I'm gonna do that. If I need to retape them, that's too much of a hassle. I don't want to spend the money on that right now. I'll probably just end up putting tubes in them. Of course, I also need to make sure everything's tightened up, set up the sag again, because I lost almost 35 pounds, 40 pounds. I lost them, so I gotta reset the sags on all my full suspensions and the front suspensions as well. This one's not holding air. I don't see any actual punctures of this. It might be puncture, I don't know, but I gotta, of course, take it out, inflate it, and then soapy water, see what's going on with that. I gotta take care of that. My Axum is fine. It just doesn't have air because I haven't used this. I was looking at a picture yesterday from my screensaver. probably have not used this since a year ago, so that's why it doesn't have air. This one, the Poseidon Redwood, always loses air. I don't want to, I mean, it holds air for like a few days, so every time I use it, I just put air on it, and because it's tubeless, but I don't really want to mess with that right now. And this one, I have a problem. I'm gonna make a video about this one on my rear derailleur once I get the parts. And then of course on this one, I have to reroute the cables for the brakes, maybe cut them, all that, change the handlebar and a stem for a shorter one, make it a little more comfortable for my brother. And this one is good to go. The Marley is good to go. I just gotta have to take it out for a spin, try it out, see how it works. Again, it's set up as a 29er. It's supposed to be a 27.5. And the rear one, if you have not seen that video, is really, really close to the seat tube, but it should be fine if I'm riding on dry conditions. As far as this one, I gotta make a review on this one. It rides really, really well, but I do want to talk about one of the issues that I found, but it's been taken care of since then. So I'm gonna be making videos about all of that. And so far, that's a little bit of the updates on what's coming and what's not on my channel. So again, thank you guys for being here. If you want to leave a comment, leave it down in the descriptions below. The best way to support my channel is just check the affiliates. I don't have any sponsors, none of that, but the affiliates do help. And and liking and subscribing. That's all I ask. But other than that, that's what's coming up for the channel. Hopefully I can make a video every 2 weeks or so. Part of the problem that I have not been making the videos is because of my life situation, and that's about it. But I'm doing fine, and I think I'm gonna be able to start making those videos for you guys and also for me, and to maintain myself distracted and keep on living. That's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. I guess if you like this video, if you like the little update, make sure you subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and that's it for this one, and let's ride. Goodbye.